Hey guys, welcome back to Delve Stack, and today I will be showing you how to hide that you viewed a story on Instagram. So guys, I will show you two practical ways in order for you to do this process. So for the first method is you can just simply go ahead and open up the Instagram application first. Now, once you are here, in order for you to view a story, but you don't want people to see that you viewed them, you could just simply go ahead first, turn off your Wi-Fi. And once you have turned off your Wi-Fi, you could just simply turn on the airplane mode as well into your device. Now over here, you could just simply tap on the story that you want to view, and you should be able to view it without them seeing that you viewed their Instagram story. Now, another option that you could try, guys, is you could just simply go ahead and go to the story that you want to see. And now from here, if you have the next person story you want to see, you would just simply go ahead and swipe it. But guys, this is the best option that you have where you don't let go. You could only see a fraction of the story. So pretty much if you don't let go, you should be able to see their story without them having that you viewed their story. But guys, if you fully let go, it will let them know that you viewed their story. But if you view it halfway, you could pretty much preview it on how it would look. And there you go.
If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. And if you have any questions, just simply go ahead and comment down below, and we will do our best to answer them all. And see you in the next video.